In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change programs, how to store programs, and how to reload them. At the moment in our workspace, we have the blinking LED program, which you saw in previous tutorials. You'll remember that this program turned an LED on for 1 second and then off for 1 second, infinitely. Let's have a look at the loop in which we did this. So we send a high electronic signal to the LED and then delay for a second, and then a low electronic signal and delay for a second. And that loops around. So let's upload the program and see the effect. So now we see the light coming on and off for a second each turn. Let's assume we want to make a very simple change and actually make it so that the light comes on for 5 seconds and then off for 5 seconds. Well, we just need to change the delay from 1000 milliseconds to 5000 milliseconds. And then we can upload the program again. And you will see the effect. The light comes on for 5 seconds and then goes off for 5 seconds. And then back on for 5 seconds. So we've successfully changed the program. We might now wish to store it. So to do that, we click on Actions and Save Code. And we can give the code a name. Let's call it 5-second LED delay. We have a choice of making the code public or keeping it private. Let's make the code private. And now we save the changes. And we can have a look at the code before we save, and we can see here that we've changed the delay to 5000 milliseconds. So we can click OK, and now the code is successfully saved. So we'll assume now that we wish to look at another program. Let's say the stepper motor test. If we upload this program, it has the effect of moving the stepper motor. And we can see that that program is uploaded. But now let's assume we wish to go back to the program that we changed. So let's find it. We look again in Actions, and now we click on Load Code, and we can see the stored program. So we select it and load the code. And now we find in our workspace the code that we changed earlier. So let's upload that again. So now we see, instead of the stepper motor moving, we have our light going on and off with a 5-second delay each time. So this tutorial has shown you how you can change programs, store them, and reload them for use later on. In the next tutorial, we'll have a look at writing more complex programs.